Welcome to Linux Minute channel as we look at another PEP and SE paper. Please ensure that you are subscribed. If you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Now, turn on the notifications so when I go live to have my preclasses here. Alright, don't talk. Let's go. So, first one says, write in figures 500 and 3,156. Alright, these can be a little bit tricky. Sometimes you have to write it and then write it back. So it says 500 and 3,000. So 3 would be 0, 3. 156. So that's 1. Remember, comma separate them, 3 numbers. Alright, let's go now. What is the value of 4 in the digit 1,048,000? What you can do, guys, just put the 4 and then for the remainders you put 0 here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have basically 4 zeros. So that's 40,000. Right, so nice and easy, nice and easy. Hit the like button. Please ensure that you are subscribed. Number 3 says, write 3 over 100 as a percent. Now, percent means out of 100, so 3 times. Put it on 100 first, and then times by 100. So that is going to give us 3. As a percent, that would be 3%. Alright, it says now 15 over 60 is equal to n over 4. What is the value of n? Now, number 4 is what we call an equivalent fraction. So what we're going to do now, we're going to see two ways we can look at it. We can either divide 60 by 4, or we can say, yeah, that would be the easiest way. So whatever value we get when we divide 60 by 4, that would be 15. So 60 divided by 4, because that's what they do to get the 4, they divide by a number. And that number would be 15. So because they divide this by 15, we should also divide this by 15. So 15 divided by 15 is 1. Another way you can look at it, you can break down this fraction here to its lowest term. So n is 1. What we can do, break it down, right? So let's go. So we have 15 over 60. Find a number. 15 can work, but you know, you guys are young, so probably you will try 5. So 5 into 15, that's a 3. 5 into this goes 12, right? And then you can say 3 into 3, 1. 3 into that, quarter. So these fractions are equivalent, they are the same value. Numbers are bigger in 15 over 60, but the value is the same. So our answer of n is 1. Hit the like button now, guys. Hit the like button, man. Hit the subscribe button also. Alright, this one says, what number is missing from the box below? Okay, so they say that first, 9 times 1,000, that is give you the 9,000. So what's the value of this 6 right here? Well, the value of this 6 would be what? 600, right? So what number multiplied by 6 gives us a 600? Or we can divide it, and that would be 100. So our answer for number 5 would be 100. Let's move on to number 6. Hit the like button, guys, if you're just joining. Share it on your status, share it on your social media, wherever. Maybe some persons can get that, alright? If the diameter of a circle is 24 centimeters, calculate the radius. Let me give you guys a vivid circle. It must be the worst circle in history. Alright, so let us see. The diameter is 14 centimeters. Now, the radius is half the diameter. So what we do, we divide 14 by 2, and that will give us 7 centimeters. Alright, let's move on to number 7. It says calculate the area of the rectangle shown. So area of rectangle is length times. So the length, put the 4, and the width 3. So that's 4 times 3. So this is very straightforward. Gives us 12. Oh, the unit was meter, sorry. Unit is meter, not centimeter. Now guys, look out for the unit, alright? So it's actually meter. So let me just revert this. So it's meter, so it's 12 meters squared. Alright, let's move on to number 8. State the time on the clock in a digital notation. Alright? So guys, one thing you have to remember, the hour hand is a shorter hand, so we can already establish that it's 9 something, right? But let us figure it out. Each one of these, when we come to minutes, go by 5. So this is 5. What's happening? 10, 15, 20. It's exactly on 25. So it's 9:25. Hit the like button if you're just joining. I said join it, click the like button, guys. And let's look at number 9. It says 100 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. Convert 7,500 grams to kilogram. Alright, so it says 1,000. So since 1,000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram, I'm going to divide by 1,000. That's going to give us 7.5, right? Here's my point. 1, 2. That will give us 7.5 kilogram. Alright, so let us move on to number 10. A bucket contains 12 liters of water. How many containers, each having a capacity of half liter, can fill from the bucket? Now, this is very easy and very straightforward. Alright, don't have to complicate it. Half liter, right? It says a container contains 12 liters of water, so we know that it's 12. So 1 liter, reason to it first, 1 liter is gonna fill 2 containers. That's what it actually means, right? So if it's 12, we're gonna just multiply it by 2. I was gonna give it a complicated way, but you guys are young, so it will be 24. Right? So it's like you're saying 12 divided by a half. I know that when we divide it, we keep the first fraction, which is 12 times 2 over 1. Change it to multiplication and reciprocation. This is the more complex way, but this is the reasoning behind it. 1 liter is gonna fill 2 of the containers because it's half, right? And you know that here. Alright, this one says, what is the name given to the shape that can be formed from the net of both? I'm gonna go with the square base pyramid. So this would be the square base pyramid. See it? This is it. The base is a square and then the pyramid. Alright. Very nice question. the like button if you're just joining. Yeah, share it to a friend, No bad mind thing on it. Alright, item 12 refers to the information given below. So we have 3, 3, 6, 5, 4, 3. The number above represents the goals scored by a team in 6 different matches. What is the mode of the scores above? Now the mode is the number that occurs the most. So which number is there the toughest time they can style? We go from Trinidad, Guyana, Grenada, anywhere you are in the world. Ghana. So 3 occurs 3 times. So the answer is 3 because 3 occurs the most. No other number occurs more than 3. Right? Let's move on to, guys, remember you're supposed to type in the answer, type in the answer before me. What is the sum of 875 and 261? Hit the like button as I just joined. Make sure you subscribe if you're watching the playback. Alright. Alright, let's proceed. So sum mean we are to find the total. So it would be 875 plus 261 7 and 6 13, 3 carry 1, 8 and 2 and 1 11. So that works out to 1,000. Put your comma, guys. 1,136. Who got that correct? Come on, guys. Come on. Let's look at 14. It says find the difference between 2,082 and 3,640. So the difference is 3,614. Finding the difference of 2,000. Remember, digit on a digit, ones on the ones, tens on the tens, and all of that. Right? So we're gonna subtract because that's what the difference do. So if you have 4 things and you take away 2, you have 2 leave. 8 from 1, you can't, so we borrow. You have 5 leave. Borrow 1 here, so that leaves 3, 0 from 5. So it's 1,530. Alright, number 15 says, what is the product of 638 and 24? So the product means to multiply. Alright, so my PEP, my SCA, my GED students, make sure that you guys know these terms. Alright, I should do a video on that. Type if you think I should do a video on that. 4 8s 32. So using the ones unit first. Remember units are no units. 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So that's 5. Carry 1. 4 6 24 plus 1 25. Alright, so now we're gonna change it in just to make things a little bit spicy. Yeah, so put a 0 to hold the space. 2 8 16. So 6 carry the 1. 2 3 6 and 1 7 and 2 6 12. It's kind of color coded for me. Alright, so we add now, and this should give us 2 5 and 6 11 carry 1 12 plus 1 13 3 carry 1, so that leaves 5. So that's 15,312. That would be our final answer. 15,312. Alright, so far so good. We're at number 15. Let us proceed. So it says divide 824 by 8. Alright, let's go. We're gonna do it the long division way, but this can be easily misunderstood. Some student might say 8 into 8, 1, 8 into 24, 3, and get 30. No. Alright, actually, let's do it step by step. 8 into 8, that goes 1 time. So it's 8 times 1, that's 8. Now I'm going to subtract, get 0. Carry down the 2, 8 into 2, you can't, so you put a 0 to hold the space, and then you carry down to 4. The right here is 8, 0, 0. Let me show you guys the long way, because I don't want to confuse my young ones. Very important. Long division is a problem topic. Alright, so you say 8 times 0, that is 0. So we subtract now 0 from 2, leave 2, and then we carry down over 4. So Mr. Bennett showing step by step. Hit the like button for that now. Share to the student for that now. 18 to 24, that goes 3 times, and then we multiply 8 times, which is 20. So our answer would be 103. And to check your answer, you can multiply 8 by 103 and see if you get back that. Alright, guys. Right, let's move on to number 17. And he said, square root. I'm not sure if this is division or addition. Hold on, that's one thing I don't know. I'm gonna assume that it's division. Let me see if there's any addition. Alright, I'm gonna work it two way. I'm not sure of the sign. What sign is this? I think it's division though. Alright, the square root of 100 means what number multiplied by itself to be 100. And that would be 10. Alright, so then we're gonna say now what is 10 divided by 7. 7 into this. 7 into 1 you can't, so that's 0. 7 into 10 goes 1 time. Put our decimal point, 717. Remain that 3, put the 0. 7 into 30. That goes up. 7 4 is 28, so that's 4. So I'm gonna go with 0.14 for the first part. But if it was 10 plus 7, it would have been 70. But I'm not sure of the sign. So it's either that or 70. But on your paper you would have asked, but I'm not entirely sure. You look at division too. So it's 0.14. Alright, what is the sum of 4 and 1/5 and 2 and 3/10? I'm gonna do this the long way. So let's go. So we have 4 and 1/5. We're gonna convert that. Sum mean to add. So let's go. So 4, 5, we're gonna multiply 4 times 5, which is 20, plus 1, 21 over 5, plus 2 times 10, that's 20, plus 3, that's 23 over 10. This is the hardest way though. We'll have just add two whole numbers, 4 plus 7, and then I add 1/5 and 3/10. I want to do it this way. I most of my students like the long way. So the LCM will be 10, 5 into 10 goes 2 times, so we multiply by 2. And that gives us 2 ones 2, and that 42. So 10 into itself goes 1 time, so that's 23 times 1, which is 23. So we're gonna get 565 over 10. And we can see that goes 6 times and a half. 5 over 10, which is a half. Or we can say 6.5. This is one of the more easier paper, I think, because it was from 2001. Alright, it says take 7.5 from 8 and 2/3. So let's go. We're gonna convert again. You know what? We could do this easier. Not all the time we can work like that, but it can work. 8 minus 7, that's 1, and then we're gonna subtract a half from 2/3. So find the LCM of 2 and 3, which is 6. Guys, what's the answer? Remember you have to do it now. 3 into 6 goes 2 times, so we multiply, and then we compare answers, alright? If you make a little error, you guys must can find that out. 2 into 6 goes 3 times, so we multiply by that gives us 1/6. So our final answer would be 1 whole and 1/6. This one says multiply 1 and 7/8 by 1/3. Let's go. What's the answer, guys? I'm not rushing, you know. Type in the answer for me, please. Big up to all who support my channel. Big up for sharing. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you all. Alright, let's go. So we have multiply 1 and 7/8 by 1/3. So now I'm going to just rewrite it. So it's 1 and 7/8 by 1/3. So 188 plus 7, that's 15/8. So keep our denominator and times it by 1/3. Right. If we wish, we can cancel, but I don't want to do that. I'm going to multiply numerator by numerator. So that's 15. 8 times 3, which is 24. So we're going to reduce this fraction now. We're going to find a number. Both can go into both 15 and 24. Which number is that? Type that in the comment section. Is it 2? No. 2 cannot go into 15, right? The number must be able to go into both of them. So that would be 3. 3 to this goes 5 times. 3, 5, 15, and then 8. So our final answer would be 5/8. Alright, so let us look at another one. We're going to look at number 21, and it says divide 8 by 2/3. What's the answer for that, guys? Let's go, let's go. Let's go. 8 divided by 2/3. So you have 8 wholes, and you're going to divide them by 2/3. You guys actually know what that means when you say 8 divided by 2/3? I'm going to show you I'm going to show you the general way, but then I'm going to show you another way in which you can look at it. Alright? So rules state that to change to multiplication and reciprocate. So we have 8 3s 24, and then we divide by 2, which work out 12. So reciprocate, and that's it. Alright, so our final answer would be 12. Alright, let's look at 22. Hit the like button if you're just joining. Kyle ran 2.5 kilometer. Kareem ran 1.35 kilometer more than Kyle. What distance in kilometers did Kareem run? What will be the answer for that? Type in that fast, guys. Type in that fast. Let's go, let's go. Hit the like button if you're just joining. Welcome. Watch what the playback from start, alright? Alright, someone says 3.85. Let's see. Alright, so let us reason it out. So Kyle ran 2.5 kilometers. And then it said Kareem ran 1.35 kilometer more. So that's more. More mean you're gonna add it, right? So it's 1.35 more. So he ran 2.5, but he ran 1.35 more. Alright? So that's 5, 8, 1. It's all about the interpretation of it. So Kareem ran 3.85 kilometers. This one now, guys, it says divide 9.44 by 0. Who can do that? What is 9? No calculator. 9.44 divided by 0. How many 0.2 are there in it? That's what it's basically saying. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to convert 0.2 to a whole number. So in order to do that, we need to move the decimal place 1 to the right. So we're going to do the same for this. We're going to move the decimal place 1 place. That's it. It's very easy. So now we have 94.4 divided by 2. That's it. Very easy. The like button for Mr. Bennett now, guys. Hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe now. Share it, guys. Share the video. So 2 into 9, that goes 4 times. I know we had it the wrong way. 2 times 4, that's 8. Subtract, we get 1. Carry down over 4. 2 into 14 goes 7 times. 2 7s 14, so we subtract the 14. Get 0. Put our decimal point. Decimal point must go on a decimal point. Alright? Carry down our 2. 2 into 2, 1. 2 times 1, 2. So our answer would be 47.1. So that's 47.1. It says now calculate 12% of $50. Alright, so let me just try that one, guys. Right? Type it in the comment section now. Let's go, let's go. Just remember what this. You always watch back the video. 12%. What does percent mean? And then you can figure that out. Alright? So since percent mean out of 100, we divide by 100 and we multiply by 50. Simplify this and voila, we have our answer. Alright, let's go. What did you guys get? 7. Alright, let's see. So that into that 1, that into that 2. I think I'm getting 6. 2 into 12 goes 6 times. 6 ones, 6. So 12% would be, remember it's money, so it's $6. Right, what about number 25? It says if each small square has an area of 1 centimeter square, find the area of the shaded region. This can be a little bit tricky, but it's very easy also. So what's the answer, guys? Let's go. What could be the area for that? Anyone? 8? I doubt it. I think it's probably 6. Alright, let's go. So first, we know that these are halves, right? So let us not consider the halves now. Could be 8. But let us not consider the halves right now. So we're going to convert the whole, which is, so we have 1. I'm going to put them in red. 2, 3, 4. And we have the halves now. So 2 halves make 1. Let us just kind of color code it and show you guys. Almost have any teacher, student. So this is half. color now. We have a half here and another half here. So this make 1. So it's 4 plus 1 plus 1. So it's actually 6. But nevertheless, good try everyone. Let's go. Let's move on to 26. Hit the like button if you're just joining, alright? People, SEA, sign up now. Number is 876-549-2161. WhatsApp me. Right now. Alright, let's go. It says, what is the circumference of a circular racetrack whose radius is 14 centimeters? And it says, use pi to be 22/7. Now, how do we find the circumference of a circle? Without even working out, I know it's 40 so. Because, no, not 40 so. 14 and 14 are 28. 3 times 28. I know it's about 3 times 28, which is about 80 so. Well, let us work it out, alright? Because for all the circles, the circumference is 3 times the diameter and length. That's how they come up with pi. So this would be 14. So you have 28. So I'll show you guys a little thing. It's not exactly this. 3 8 is 24. I'm gonna work it out. 3 2 6 and that 84. So it's between 80 to 90. The answer lies between there because it's 3 and a liquid. 3 times and liquid. So that's how they come to the 3.1. Well, let us work it out. So the circumference of any circle is 2 pi r. Alright. And the pi, they gave us pi to be 22/7. So that's 22/7 times 40. Alright, let's just cancel now. 7 can go into itself 1, 7 can go into 42. So it's actually 88 centimeters. As I was saying, I knew just by looking at the diameter that is between 84, which is 3 times the diameter, and liquid. So the liquid now is the 4. I'm sure you guys learned something today. And the unit, I keep putting centimeter. Sorry about that. The unit is meter. And guys, look out for the units, alright? The units match here. And if not, you have to convert. Alright, 27 now. It says, what is the volume of a cuboid of length 10.5 centimeter with 8 centimeter and height 2 centimeter? Alright, so we know that area of a cuboid, that's I'm doing that in my class right now as we speak with my pep student. This would be our length. This is our width. Our width is, and our height. We go Cassandra Smith. Alright, let's go. So we know that volume is length times width times height. And the numbers are so nice now, can actually be very easy. So let's go. So we have 10.5 times 16. It's not so easy as I thought, you know. Alright, so let's go. So we have 105 multiplied by 16. Ignore the decimal point at first, and then you count the number of decimal places. Alright, so 6, 5, 30, 3 carry 0. Remember, no calculators allowed. 6, 0, 0, and that 3. Guys, if you can't do these, just join the class. 6, 1, 6, very simple. Alright, 1, 5 is 5, 1, 0, 0, and 1, 1, 1. Add now, so that's 0, 8, 6, 1. And remember, we had 1 decimal point, so it is 160 centimeter. Alright, let's move on to 28. It says now, school start at 8:30 a.m. and John arrived 45 minutes late. At what time did John get to school? Who wants to take on that? Type in that first. School supposed to start 8:30. It's better late for class by 45 minutes. What time him reach? Hit the like button right away, guys. Hit the like button right away. Love the growth on my channel, you know. Love it, I love it, I love it. Alright, so it's supposed to be 8:30 and 45 minutes late. So it's gonna take another 30 minutes. 40 minutes, 45 minutes of two things night, right? It have 30 minutes plus 15. So right here, half an hour late will be 9 o'clock. And then we add 15, so that's 9:15. Put on your AM because it could be PM. They could assume that it's talking PM, right? So you're reaching the AM. So it's 9:15. Guys, try not to be late for class, alright? A man's daily wage is $34.50. If you work 5 days a week for 2 weeks, what is his total wage? I'm going to give you guys a head start. Go ahead, do that. Take out the information, read it part by part, and then go ahead. Alright, let's go, let's go. Hit the like button for Mr. Bennett, guys. Hit the like button. What's the answer? Remember, you guys are to attempt the questions, alright? So we do it, guys. So we do it. Alright, let us reason it out now, step by step. No hanky-panky business, you know, man. Big up all my subscribers, them. Big up all my viewers, them. Big up all that who are share it. Let's go. So it says a man daily. So daily mean per day. It's gonna get $34.50. We can work it out two ways. We can just say, all right, how many? It's a 5 days a week. So the total for 2 weeks would be how many days? So each week you work 5 days. So how many you work in 2 weeks? So we just say 5 times 2. So that's 10. So you worked a total of 10 days. Since his daily wage is $34.50, you simply multiply it by 10. And there we have it. When you multiply by 10, I have a decimal, we move the decimal place 1 place to the right. So that gives us $345. And I hope this is US, because if a Jamaican dollar, you can buy a thing. Alright, so that's 345. We can come to the end. Alright, guys, we have come to the end. Let me put my number for those who want to contact me and be a part of my awesome class, whether CSEC, PEP, SEA, or anything like that. Alright, marathon and everything coming up for PEP, CSEC, City and Guilds. It's gonna be awesome. I might be doing some human and social biology. I've been getting many requests from students who watch my video. So just contact me. My name is Lennox Bennett. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please ensure that you are subscribed. Please ensure that your notification bell. So there's a video coming up right after this one. So see you soon. Bye. This is Lennox Bennett. I'm out, no doubt. See you guys in another video.